Hello there everybody, and welcome back to another episode of The Gardening Guys. As you can see, I've got Bailey in the background. Bailey, give us a wave! Hey! Hey! So yeah, it's Tuesday the 28th of February. So obviously me and a good friend over here's just got down here. So he's just cracking on with whatever's left of the digging on good friend Michael's plot. I'm going to be hopefully today doing a bit more on my allotment here, trying to sort out a few bits and bobs, maybe doing a bit of planting, and then obviously stopping time for a brew, maybe, we don't know. But I'm going to crack on and do some more filming, and I'll keep you updated, so stay tuned. I shall see you very soon. See you in a bit. So here we are, guys. So as you can see, absolutely fantastic. This is the rhubarb. As you can see, I did have a lot more all along the front, but to be quite honest, I'd already got plans of doing a path down the middle, obviously separating the two halves for two different crops. So I decided that, you know what, I've got far too much rhubarb, and rather than chop it up and destroy it and get rid of it, the remaining ones I gave to other plot holders, and theirs is growing really nice. So yeah, so obviously this is the rhubarb. It's coming back absolutely brilliantly. So I think, to be quite honest, temperatures might be really mild here where we are at the moment. Obviously during the winter, as you can see, I put a load of horse manure round the bottom, which has obviously fed it really well. The leaves are really coming on a treat. Loads of fresh, brand new leaves. So I'm thinking about trying to force it, so it's a lot sweeter. I'm not sure about that at the moment. I'll see how I'm feeling soon. If I want to do it, I know I've got to do it quick because the leaves are starting to grow. But yeah, and obviously the onions are literally starting to come up. So if you can see, there's an onion there, and an onion there, there. So there's a few scattered about, if you can see. And then obviously there's no broad beans as yet, but I know that the broad beans inside the polytunnel have definitely started to come up. No such line on the parsnips as yet, unfortunately. Might take a while. 14 to 21 days I think it is for parsnip germination. But everything else is growing. As you can see, all the daffodils are coming through. The tulips which are literally just at the front. So these are daffodils with the yellow flowers on, and then just in the front, which are these are dwarf tulips. I think they're red and white flowers, absolutely lovely. Oh look, just there, another elephant garlic coming through, fantastic. Yeah, so not a lot. Obviously I've not done nothing with these raised beds as yet because it's a bit early. So I think one's gonna have carrots in, the other one will probably have lettuce, and the other one will probably be a mix and match raised bed, to be quite honest. Shallow vegetables, and then obviously we've got the good old-fashioned bean poles here. I've had horse manure in as well. It's been sitting there throughout the winter, same as the raised beds. I'd say towards the end of April, put the bamboo sticks back up with the pop bottles on top, and then start the seeds off mid to end of April, which is rudder bean seeds, and we'll plant them round about May time outside. So I think Bailey's just about to put the kettle on. But yeah, so stay tuned. because I'm not going to intro it. There's lots more, and we'll see you soon, guys. Take care. Hello there, welcome back to another episode of The Gardening Guys. So it's... They call me a